Illuminate yourself, align with current affairs, have facts, and be reasonable. Fellow South Africans, on this video, we are going to talk about Robert McBride, the man that is so much important in regard to possible interference of non-government employees to influence the government entities. In this instance, a man called Paul O'Sullivan. Because when you listen to testimony of Nkabinde and General Pahlani, you so much hear how McBride, Robert McBride, and Paul O'Sullivan have connived, allegedly by them, together in collapsing the position of National Commissioner Pahlani into the favor of him, Robert McBride. And I have to applaud mainly the two members of parliament, my brother, Masolman. Masolman, as Kosana of MKP, he came so much prepared, unbelievable. He did the homework. And shout out to my brother, Dissection, Mr. Jamie Fox. The video that Masolman played there before he asked McBride questions is the work of my brother Jamie Fox. It shows that the content creators that are really factual, there is somewhere where their collection of information can be used. So he was very prepared and he asked relevant questions. And of course, the Action SA, Miss James, she was so prepared. You can even hear when she asks questions that she talks from the real concrete and information. She even gone to the extent of saying, you are having such and such a PA of Paul O'Sullivan as your girlfriend. And then she said it so confidently, and several of straight and hard-hitting questions, even from the chairperson, Mr. Lachanyane, Robert McBride, found himself contradicting his answers. Then I could see that the members of the ad hoc committee have taken themselves very serious and they ask very good questions and they were very prepared. And the only most terrible thing to see that, yes, is of course correct, just as the information has been placed that Robert McBride have allowed private people to use state entity to sometimes even threaten their individual enemies, especially you look into how they tried to justify the coming in of Paul O'Sullivan into their house, or the house where General Pahlani stayed, of which he was a security threat, and it was confirmed to be like that. But previously, I was embarrassed by Aaron said, who is that? The guy that's questioning the man that's questioning the witnesses at a hot committee. How he tried to justify the presence of Paul O'Sullivan at the house of General Pahlani. You cannot be a complainant and then you come yourself investigate the person that you launched a complaint from to know where he stays. How often does he get in and out of the yard? What do you want to do with such an information? So if the people of such a high caliber, as McBride even come up and said, they even used to go and get resources from the private people for the good of the security of South Africa. Where do you stay? Who are you going to run to protect you when the people that are sometimes even possible your enemies, or you have to report them to the state? The very same state is the one that is defending or protecting them. Who are you going to run to? So we are very satisfied with the questioning of Robert McBride, and he has been highly exposed, and we expect very, very sensitive and concrete steps to be taken against people like himself who coming there. You could see even his first day, the body language, he's just sitting there and then the hands are limping on the sides. You can see he's sitting there like a tired person, not really taking everybody serious, until they pushed him and said, we think your gestures are gonna put us into the corner. And now, unfortunately, his own front, Paul O'Sullivan, who has been bragging and talking proud, even the book that he has written, where you saw General Pahlani showing some of the pictures where he is with Brigadier Kininda in Czech Republic. You can see the person like Paul O'Sullivan has been such a confident and a proud person that he's in control to even going that I'm giving them information, I'm doing this. And then they don't, the, men like Robert McBride is trying to turn it like he's a state helper with the evidence, only to find that person is using the very same evidence to try to threaten his own enemies as an ordinary person by using the state resources. It's a terrible situation to see that the security situation in South Africa has been compromised by the very same people that were supposed to protect us and take care of the state entities. And the people like Mr. Pahlan, who went all out to be as good as he is, was turned out to be a victim. And unfortunately, up to this far, there wasn't that big or stronger measures to protect a person like him. That leading to the good and hardworking policemen in South Africa stopping to act responsibly because they saw that they will never be protected. But I think this is proving to us that what General Mkhwanazi has done have come to a stage whereby we have to rescue ourselves by making sure that all the truth is coming out, and the wrong people, in my opinion, like Robert McBride, are dealt with, and Paul O'Sullivan must be tracked into South Africa. One of the reasons I think he doesn't want to come in South Africa is that there is already a warrant of arrest that is collecting dust. He knows he will have to be arrested by even threatening Pahlani and threatening Kabinde when Kabinde was at a parliament. Now, without even coming and giving testimony, he can automatically be arrested for what is done because he just said, even threatening Kwanazi said, opening a case, and that leader of Action SA, I forget his name, he was talking so confident. Why? Because he felt like he's the boss in South Africa. But now you see his level is not calling any shots. Now everything is broken down. He's gonna be arrested. Now he's giving all the reasons of fearing for his life. Oh, shit, for me, it's just a hogwash. He knows he's gonna be arrested if he can come back to South Africa. Let's hear what you say on the comment section. Are we saying our security system in the country is in danger? And are there correct steps taken to try to save it from the criminals? Thanks for watching the video.